Hello everyone, welcome to the 100 Q&A test. Plaintiff attorney is Mr. Dunn, D-U-N-N. Defense attorney is Mr. Bradley, B-R-A-D-L-E-Y. Again, Mr. Dunn is plaintiff attorney, D-U-N-N. And defense is Mr. Bradley, B-R-A-D-L-E-Y. Okay, and this is going to start off with plaintiff attorney. Ready? And they were talking to each other in Spanish, right? Yes. How long was it that Officer Williams spoke to Ms. Jackson? I don't recall. Give me your best estimate as to how long they spent together. I don't recall because I wasn't standing right next to them for the duration of their conversation. Okay, so after they were talking, you went around and did some other things at the accident scene? Yes, I did. Have you ever asked Officer Williams how long he spent with her? No. Her being Ms. Jackson? No. Make sure you let him finish before you answer. I guess and you were the one who was primarily responsible for the investigation of this accident? Correct. Yes, I was. You were the primary investigating officer to prepare the report? Yes, that is correct. All right. And you were then relying on Officer Williams to prepare the statement of Ms. Jackson, correct? That is correct. Did you in any way prepare any kind of a statement for Ms. Jackson of what she told you? No, I didn't. Do you know what he means by statement? I mean, did you prepare any kind of a writing where you attached to the report or any other writing saying this is what Ms. Jackson told me? No, I didn't. Other than you going up to her and asking her if she was the driver, do you have any other memory as you sit here of speaking to her in any other way? No, I don't. Now, one of the things that you relied upon Officer Williams to do was to ask the standard questions that you folks ask people that are involved in accidents, correct? Correct. One of the things I noted on the report is there is a location as to whether someone is on the cell phone. That, in today's world, is commonplace to ask that question, right? Correct. It's part of your job to do that, right? Yes. Officer Williams would have asked her then, quote, were you on the phone? Is that right? That's correct. Calls for speculation. Sustained. And if, where it says here on page 2 of the report, it says, cell phone not in use. Do you see that by either party? Yes. All right. Now, you were relying on Officer Williams to do that. Is that correct? Correct. And having checked no for Ms. Jackson, that gives you an indication that she would have said, I was not on the phone, correct? Correct. Why is it important as a CHP officer in today's world to know if someone was on the cell phone or not at the time of the accident? A cell phone can be a distracting device to be using while you're driving. One of the things that you studied in academy, as well as on the job training and post training, was that the use of a cell phone can very well be a distraction and cause accidents, right? Correct. Okay. So we do have a word list. We've got Officer Williams, capital O on officer. Williams is going to be capital Williams. Ms. Jackson, capital MS period. Jackson, capital JACKSON. And then we have CHP, capital C, capital H, capital P. No periods, no spaces, but all caps. Okay, and that concludes our 100 Q&A test. Good luck.